What are you doing right now? Watching this video and possibly doing something else. Today, you'll learn how to say just that in Basque. Hi, I'm Shanna, and this is Basque Physics. The intransitive phrase ari izan is basically used to say you are doing something, usually in a continuous fashion or for a duration of time. Often you will see it used alongside the inessive case of a noun, inessive meaning in or on or at something. This expresses an activity you are currently engaged in or active in. Think of in English when we say in conversation or at play or on the job. Take those concepts and apply them to ari izan. This can occur with regular activity nouns. Izketa, conversation, plus en plus ari naiz, izketan ari naiz. I am engaged in conversation, or I am talking. Shakeyoko, chess, plus an, plus arisara. Shakeyokoan arisara. You are engaged in chess, or you are playing chess. Lan, work, plus ean, plus arida. Lanean arida. He is engaged in work, or he is working. It can also occur with the verbal noun, or gerund. Ashte, beginning, plus en, plus ari naiz. Ashten ari naiz. I am beginning. Pensatse, thinking or thought, plus en, plus arida. Pensatsen arida. He is engaged in thought, or he is thinking. Also, even though pensatu is a transitive verb and normally takes transitive isan as an auxiliary, the verb ari izan always takes intransitive isan as an auxiliary, no matter if it's a transitive verb or intransitive verb. The only circumstances where ari izan is transitive is with the weather or the conditions of the day. With these, the absolutive case is used with the noun, and the third person forms are used for the verb. Euria aridu, it is raining. Beroa aridu, it is hot. Argitsen aridu, it is getting light. Ilyuntsen aridu, it's getting dark. You may also see it with a noun in the instrumental case, usually expressing speaking or something else coming forth from your body. Negar, crying, plus res, plus arisara. Negares arisara. You are active with crying, or you are crying. Euskara, Basque, plus z, plus arigara. Euskaraz arigara. We are engaged using Basque, or we are speaking Basque. Chistu, whistle, plus z, plus arisarete. Chistus arisarete. You all are engaged with whistling, or you all are whistling. Even the subject of a conversation takes the instrumental case, since it is something that is issuing forth from your mouth. Su, you, plus tas, plus aridira, sutas aridira. They are talking about you, with talking being implied. In the same way, you will see it with nouns suffixed with ka, which generally means ing and is characterized by doing something repetitively. Deika, calling. Deika ari izan, to be calling. Vueltaka, turning. Vueltaka ari izan, to be turning or turning around. Korrika, running. Korrika ari izan, to be running. Sometimes in egin phrases, it's more common to leave the verb egin out and just use ari izan on its own. Ser egiten arisara, ser arisara. What are you doing? Eseres nais egiten ari. Eseres naisari. I'm not doing anything. You might be wondering if you can use a synthetic verb with ari izan. The short answer is yes, it's possible. The long answer is there's some sort of nuance between dator, he is coming, and etortzen arida, he is coming. For example, in this grammar book, they distinguish between one instance of something coming, badator itsasontsia, the boat is coming, and multiple instances or a multitude of something that is coming. Jendea uoldeka etortzen arida, the people are coming in droves. You can use ari izan in all the tenses, of course, indicating a continuous manner activity. Izketan ari izaten naiz. I am usually talking. Lanean ari nintzen. I was working. Pentsatzen ari izango da. He will be thinking. Eoria ariko du. It will be raining. Negarres ari zinen. You were crying. Zutas ari izaten dira. They are usually talking about you. Korrika ariko gara. We will be running. Note how you can even add the future suffix ko directly onto ari. To top it all off, you can use the periphrastic verb aritu or the synthetic verb yardun in place of ari isan. Isketan aritzen nice. I am busy talking. Pentsatzen aritu da. He was busy thinking. Lanean diardusu. You are working. Sutas yardundute. They have been busy talking about you. But honestly, ari isan is a bit simpler, so oraindanik ari isan praktikatzen ariko sarete. Thanks for watching. Agur!